Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling the exact parts: a Kai receiver coil module, a stable 5V/2A USB power source, a diode, ferrite backing, and thin enamel wire. Once you have everything, wind the coil with 22 to 26 turns of 26 AWG. Keep turns neat and flat to maintain coupling. Make sure to count turns and mark the start and end. Next, strip and tin the wire ends. This prepares them for soldering to the receiver pads quickly and reduces lift or cold joints. Now solder the prepared coil ends to the receiver module pads. Heat briefly, add just enough solder, and avoid bridging. Once soldered, position the ferrite sheet beneath the coil to focus the field toward the phone. This increases efficiency. Secure the assembly inside your chosen enclosure or phone case so the coil sits flat. Then, plug in the USB adapter and measure continuity and DC resistance with a multimeter. Low ohms indicates a good connection. If readings are off, reflow joints and recheck alignment. To finish, mount the assembly so the coil surface is exposed and centered where the phone will sit. Secure with adhesive, then plug the USB adapter in and place your phone on it. Watch for the charging indicator and feel for slight warming. Both are normal. If it does not charge, first verify the 5V adapter output and diode direction. Once done, adjust coil placement and center under the phone, or rotate the coil by 90 degrees to improve alignment. Resolder any weak joints and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.